this video, we will show how to change the name of your system on the app. This is the Aqua Alert homepage. The icon located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen is known as the main menu. Click on the main menu and you'll see this screen appear. Then click on Equipment Management. Then click on System 1. Then click on System 1 again. This is where you'll be able to rename it to what the product is. For this case, we're setting up a softener, so we're going to type in softener and then click on Confirm, and you've now changed the equipment to softener. Then tap the arrow located in the upper left-hand corner twice to back out to the home page. You'll now notice that the name has been changed to softener located at the top middle of the app.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.